To another exciting episode of Zanankat with Nostro. As the year 2026, we are back and we bring nothing but consistency. Of course, I will remind you, press that subscription button. It costs nothing. It just makes you go to kumbule mas postile is already pop up and which is Zanankat postile. In Logun Kala to bring a new co-host, and of course, we have listened to his Kalozeno, and I bring someone educated. I'm saying it in bold. I'm saying it in italic. I bring someone who's intelligent, someone who will calm the situation. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hand together. What's up, Yeah, sister.
Hi everyone. Hi Nastro.
Yeah.
Ikamu Kosazana Wagomasego, known as Zanagamalume. Yeah.
Why is Zanagamalume?
My late uncle used to call me that, so in honor of him.
Yamlandela.
Yeah. Yamlandela. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. So in honor of him and remembrance, I just chose to call myself.
So you want to remember him throughout?
Yeah.
Ne?
My nigga, that one.
You good?
I'm good.
How do you feel? How did you feel? You know what, man? We see something, man. We see something, man. Sondela, man. Yeah. Because when we came to you, unlike those that came to us. Right, if I can go.
I was about to say.
Yeah, no.
We
came to you. We made a call with there's something Sondela.
Yeah, man. I was excited and I'm very grateful for the opportunity. But I was so nervous because I'm like, I've never done this before. So like, what do? I get there and you know? But yeah, man, we'll see how it goes and hoping for the best.
Just a brief one. What can you expect from you? What is it that you bring
to the table? Yeah,
obviously you know Zanankat, blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
Is that type of question or interviews? What is it that you bring to the company? Yeah.
Right. I bring nothing but authenticity.
I
bring nothing but vibes and young blood. You know, you show any young blood in other things.
Yeah, sure.
It also grabs the attention of Ama 2000 and the youngsters.
So what you will bring also Ama guest Ama 2000?
I mean, on TikTok I have around 30k followers.
Ngokushaya.
Imagine.
Ama 2k wonke. But inbox I see 2k but it's fine. It's fine. It's a story for another day. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm excited. Yes, this is our final chosen co-host for the year 2026. Hey, guest namhlanje. But it's someone that we've once had a studio.
Right. As he has said, it's someone who's been here, but last time we didn't get much details on. Never. No, so
Hey.
Because phela manje abantu bayazibuza ukuthi hayibo udidini thang. Yeah. So we have him here and he's going to tell us ukuthi didn't.
My brother.
Sanibonani.
Alright, mate. It's right, man. The last time it was me and you. Besiphuwa mfethu ngoba nami ngibuye ehluphekile. Uyabona manje ngiqashe the best team. Behind the scenes we've got BPX production. Ngiyazi akalitrendizi kakhulu igama leli but ke Xolani Masilela uGeneral waseFaith. We've got Tupesh production niyamazi ke usitha sesithombe sibi. We've got indoda yama endondo sengisho yena ke unkosenhle wakadlaba. Lona nithi angizwani naye. Ya nangu lapha yayimuva. We've got Idlaba production as well as the team behind what you are seeing namhlanje or what you'll be seeing throughout the year. Babu Sibaye uyaphila mfethu?
Siyaphila njani la?
Uyaphila mfethu. Kubantu bethu abasha abafikayo abangakwazi ungayithula mfethu. Mhlawumbe ushintsha isibongo njengoba abantu namasonto bayawatshintsha singazi wena kodwa ke ungasho nje ukuthi ubani wakabani mfethu yabo, then we'll take it from there.
Siyabona sisiwamuzi usesemncane kakhulu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Fethela Nastro ngiyabingelela Mlangeni.
Baba
ngiyabingelela Mr Dlaba Mfoka Ntshosho Masilela ngiyabingelela. Cha akonakele lutho nje. isithenja sokuqala lonyaka sokuqala nanangomlangeni ngoba bekufanele suvale abaleka ngoba ngibalekisa baloshintsha umqondo khona umqondo adebelele phekwa ngabothi kuyophambana iprofit angidlalisi umqondo ngifika January vele isinqumo sesepokotweni ngoba eqala begiye bepokotela yabo le kick labathi talk yini bizana le bezile manje ngifuna sikhiphe yabo manje wasesifika January sekuright angazi xa kuzofika thini
umbuzo bese imningi ebantwini uzophendula manje ba
no fanele abantu bazike manje bazi cha loxolanile kwakasibaya ngiyezwa nje kwezesonto uyifuni nesonto lembuzo yamasonto umlangeni yangilandela endilandela nawo umuntu obuye elifini angeke kusebenza ungayilifini yabo so nambe ngisesenomhlala phansi so kodwa anginganikhulumeli sengenze nje unilapha uthi hayi sibaya lo ongaka yabona kuthiwa ngiyeloti letter yikho
bathi uyekile ubusonto
bathi ngiphelele bathi ngiyekubusonto
phela remember ukuthi ukuyeka ubusonto does not mean ukuthi kumele kufane ube neletha kade sishintsha singabhala amaletha
uqinisile
bangibone nje next week
sengishintshile
sengishintshile anganathi and mina ngenza lento le bengayenzi lento le ukuthi ushintshe ufuna ukuncema yabo
vele uhambe
ngiyasonta yabo Sunday ngiyasonta next week ngiyabhala professional. I didn't give anyone a chance ukuthi angincenge because I've taken my decision. So now probably because njoba kunama rumors mhlambe nawe uphethe lo shunu wami okungafuna ukuncenga abantu bamaletha abantu abafuna ukuncenga
ngiyakuzwa mntangeni mina bengafuna ukuncenga mntangeni yabo nje mina njengami njengoba ngixolani so impilo yami nje iclean straightforward mina uma ngibona ukuthi la akuhambi kahle angihlale ekhaya mangibona ukuthi la ngeke ngiwine la ngedwa ngeke angifuni mina angingeni ifight engeke ngiwine ngifuna ukuwina mina and angikwazi futhi ukulwa nangazi kahle ngiyakuhlula
okay
mangihlula angikwazi ukutela ngoba ngiyakuhlula angeke ngidile na ngoba vele ngiyabona la
uzohluleka
ngiyakuhlula phela lapho ngilwa ngedwa afunela so la esontweni kahle hle yona namhlanje abanye abantu babenga understand ukuthi okushintsha the experience esinayo ukushintsha ileyo ukuthi asihlaleli into engekho ukuthi ngathi impinyapinyekile kodwa lo ukuthi ngibezelele bazothi nginelong service bangake nje abahlele masonto 20 years kodwa ngokuthi ambheki awu stress every day every month
and usonto kumelanga bebe
every day une stress abanye bakhona baqhawulana abanye ababudisana bese uzotshela ukuthi sashit thina yabo mina ukuthi bengifuna ukushintsha ngabe kudala mina ngihlali nakho mina ngiyeka manje senginesonto engiyakulo nje wasonto phela sibesibhekile asonto yasifama uclub ukuthi usotobole ngithi ngisonto ngebe ngibheke ukuthi ngiyaphi mangisuka la
yeah asi before we get to the current news asiqale from ubusonto bakho usakhula wakusonta wakhishwa yini
just a recap
sifike live
ezala lo muntu ovela wabila lo ovela wabila
isikhathi ngibuyele kumntangeni ngayiveza le
wathini just hamba phezulu
ngathi ukuzalwa nje ngazalele eDamaseko abazali
yiphi ngoba sithole
ingakho ngithi leyo ngayichaza ngoba amaDamaseko yabona afana njengoba ngikhuluma ngekhova umuntu oseDamaseko akekho nempendulo noma ngabalanda bonke akekho nempendulo wonke umuntu osonto eDamaseko yena iqinisi lela nalo yena akekho neqinisi ila sonke umuntu osonto eDamaseko iqinisa nalo elela show yena or umuntu yebo ufana nekhova awekhova noma ikhala ukuthi inhlanhla or icover part endawo kodwa iuniform into eyi1 because if iDamaseko mhlambe kukhona umnyazi wayo ngabe sikhuluma ukuthi yabo ngiyaprefer iDamaseko to iDamaseko egqokela ugreen or Damascus kodwa uma kukhona uhambe nakho la usuka khona futhi bonke labantu abaqalele isonto inhlubuko akusumbona ababiziwe
yebo
ubizo lushuthi yabo nje nangumlangeni mawuphumile nje bephuma lapho makhona wayicheck wala khona manje chicho
cha isonto lami lakudala leli ngangazi ukuthi ngiyabuya
awulibhankile
bhankanga phela isho friend sonto ngamnandi that's one thing eyaziwayo
ayuthandaza khona
sonto kahle nje clean
mfethu
angambile nami
wabuya
ngokuinfluencewa uyangizwa
okay
ngokuinfluencewa hayi ngoba phela remember if we rodo ne Mawirodo kufika umuntu athi cheese kanje. Ayakugijimisa leyo nto le. So nambe ngirodo mfethu. Bengi
irodo.
So change.
Past 10 years. That's why I went back.
Okay.
Bengi irodo ngathi but banginyayidla balokuba shiftise yabona. Balokuba shiftise. Nongiyasona balokuba shiftise. Ngayithola sengila nami ngakhetha inkosi khona. Yabona. Ngikhetha inkosi ke ngalokho. So
cha okay sengiko ngazalele eDamascus sis iDamascus engangizalele kuyo mina ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi angeke ngiye kuyo ngoba kukhona abakhonza kuwo abanolwazi nabo abanalo abalitshela abanye abantu olwabo so angifuni mina ngithatha ulwazi lwami ngilishare ngifuna nje umuntu abambe lokho anako nalokho atshelwe khona umholi wakhe ngoba mangakubuza nje question 1 if isonto liqala 1920 ubani ophilayo kulelo sonto manje njoba ngikhona ngingane yami njoba nginengane nje mina ingane masithi njoba ingane yami na kukhona asithi unemntwana njoba unanga disi
hayi akanamntwana tshintshile
ngiyavuma unanga disi
I can't never tell her age.
She's 21
okay asithi example na 21
but you're talking
example
21 yes usenja manje ukuthi na 21 bese mina ngithi kuwe mntana mnanti isonto ngitshele ngesonto yango 1920 that time awuzalwa umuntu angwa 1920 nogogo wakhe akekho na ku 1920 mhlawumbe nokhokho akekho i-generation oqala uku-understand ka 1960
kanti uthi ngamabandla wethu
ngikhuluma ngami ukuthi into engenza ukuthi ngingakhulumi is because of umuntu osonta kuleyo nto leyo mayichaze ukuthi uyi-original noma uthi uyi-original so angesikubambe
and iyamthinta naye because angithi useyi-covid so naye unayo le nto le 1898
yes and isonta ngada show bani kwashaya cemana and emothi abheka sonke thina ihlala lomthetho akekho neyone kahle hle basimkhoso waziyo kukunje lo ube nenhlanhla wathola isibongo watshela umalume nakhona watshela umalume esingenayo isho ukuthi wayixabene nomzala yabo so yonke into ekhulunywa la into ukuthi wena ngaso sikhathi njengoba useyikhofeni udefend isikhovo kuso kahle ulwazi nolwazi onalo umuntu yabo nje noma ngakhulele eDamascus ngaso sikhathi angakabe maningi kangaka so ngathi sathu lasekhaya lengizalwe kulo ke leli
iDamascus
yabusiswe ekhaya
ngasibaya
kwadladla imondlo
oh yes yabo that's why I wanted you ukuthi ufake recap ukuthi I remember the last time manje mawuthi dladla we've got two senators
yes udladla nosibavela iDamascus mina sazalele esontweni so nokubanga methi umuntu udadweni lo sesontweni kodwa mina ngazalwa esontweni yabona ukuthi lento isuka yabo indala lento ukuthi ubaba umama nobaba thola lesontweni abatholana ngemoli so mozothela ngisontweni nomuntu udadewethu vele ngidideka kodwa ngikho lapho phela inkolo yenkolo yabantu kodwa nje mina ngazalwa eDamascus abazali baseDamascus sakhula ke mangikhula uqala kwami ukuhlakanipha ngase ngiyiChristian lekuthi le abantu asebeyazi ngantshoko manje mina ngiyazi kuyiChristian
okay
ngakhonza khona ke mina so inkinga zamasonto ngazi ngangekho kwe-leadership kodwa ngabamba nami lokho engangikwazi lokho engikwazi okuzongivumela ngoba phela enqumeni wena mntangeni isinqumo nesinqumo usukuyidefendela hayi ukuphetha iqiniso
okay
akekho umuntu ophethe isiqiniso esinqumeni isinqumo sinake into ukuthi mangithanda wena zi fanele mina yonke into eshow because ngithatha noma thiwa mlangeni wena izinto oyiphethe right kodwa ngizase ukuthi mina ngila le side noma lingamanga le side so umuntu nomuntu isinqumo siphethe esivuna injabulo yakhe hayi esivuna wena kwaba into enjalo so ngasonta lapho ke ngasuka ngayidiapholi uqala kwami uunderstand into yemali
oh man
woza nayo kahle
so
unangakhe at that time
ayingangimncane mfethu mina ngicane mfethu ngiqale nje umhlane
imali you understand umncane
ngiqale uunderstand imali 2015
imali kanjani
kahle ukuthi esontela
2015 into izolo phela
mamela kanjani mina mangibamba ukhumala efika ukhuluma umholo washona wayesonto iDiapholi ayiqala isonto wayesonto ephuma esithembisweni zokhonza iDiapholi so mayifike iDiapholi kanti vele isonto bese lithe mina ngingapha so mangingapha mina ngapha kulenkosi le iphethe vele into yokuthenga and mangithi yafika la eGoli ngiyabheka impilo vele
ifuna into yokuthenga
ifuna into yokuthenga bafuna nginunusela nofuna into yokuqala ngishanga vela ngithumela yonke ijoint wangenza into engakaze ngayibona emhlabeni ukuthi khona nje umuntu ofela ngene umuntu othungayo asho ukuthi usha amajazi wafunayo wathi joint wathi green wathi blue what a right what a right ngathi wathi another three wathi mina yikho le wathi uthini ngathi hayi angigolozi la next week ngiyangena
okay
ngangena esontweni ngakhonza ke
eliphi igama lalo
Diapholi
eDiapholi wafakwa imali
eDeerport ngangena ngicela ngithanda isonto kodwa angena.
Wait. Le Joni oyishoyo iJoni yaseDeerport.
Yeah. Mina ukuthungelwa.
Le group seDeerport.
Kwanga engakagcwali lento njengoba sebeyibona ngamagutha nje sebeyiphaphela manje. Kodwa kuyilesikhathi sokuthi thina sasibamba ukuthi inkonzo yokusiza mangikhonza nami emlangeni ngiswele wena ungisiza. So kuma bebambe leyo nto leyo. Hayi njengoba sishintile manje.
Public.
Yeah, njengoba sishintile manje, njengoba sishintsha manje sishintsha ukuthi before umfaka emsebenzini kufanele sibe nevumelane zokujabulisa isonto. Ilapho bona khona ukuthi abanye ababiziwe.
Okay.
Because if into yakho yogcobo lokho lu clean, lu perfect, asikho isidingo sokuthi mawusiza umuntu bese uthi akasonke nawe because awukwazi uqala isonto ezokuhlula. Liyeke. So lo wangisiza empilweni yami into engazenze ngakhonza naye until today yabona.
Uma until today sakonto Deerport.
No angangakhona.
Ubuyele khona.
Angibuyelanga khona.
Oh.
So ngizama ukuveza kona.
Ngizwa lo until today lona ukuthi
manje kube short ethi abancane.
Okay.
Yabona.
Uthi ulayishile.
So mawusuke eDeerport waya?
eDeerport. Angithi ngokwesivisi sisi u3 months awukhanga njenge experience.
Okay.
Yeah, la ngaya khona ngithatha ngo3 months so angeke ngibali.
Oh so wena Deerport.
Yeah.
After Deerport.
Ngase ngathi ukutrayela.
Zara, did you understand this one thing? Mina did it.
Yabona mawubambe yabo nje emsebenzini uba permanent after 3 months.
Yasho.
Yonke into baba after 3 months ngiyakutshela.
Thina la sebenza khona sa permanent speaker.
Phela kuyadepend.
Yeah, that's why ngithi yahluka.
Ngiyahluka.
But ngicela ukunderstand le uza nathi uyitholile mina angitholanga.
Le 3 months ukuthi ngaya ngapha eChooseni. Yabo.
Oh, kanuvela.
Ngiyalanga lapha kakhulu ngoba anginalento yokuqeda kulimala esontweni understand. Yeah, uqeda kulimala esontweni and nangumfweni yafika ngathi ngisupport umfweni. Kanti lento yokutshela mina ukusupport umuntu wake noma uthuba ngeke uphinde ungenze ngisupport umuntu esonto. Even wakithi umzalo logogo ngoba ngisupport.
I was my own.
Singayazi. So 3 years.
Oh, eChooseni wawuyiswe ukusupport umfweni.
Yeah. Ngangalazi
inhlangano.
Ngangayazi inhlangano. Ngasupport umfweni.
Mawufika
ngabona noBishop engathi ungcono kulama bishop engwazi.
Yes.
Ngimthanda kwaba into entsha ngabamba angahluleka nje. Ngoba mina mangihluleka ngifuna ukuthi ngize ngihlale isikhathi eside. Lokhu ngicomplain phakathi ngiyahamba mina angisebenze icomplain phakathi ngikhanda ithinta inhlubuko la. Mina mangihlula lento ngiyayishiya ngihambe ngiyakwenye. As long nje ngingakakhokhi as long ena UIF la na pension fund. Ahamba lapho sengiyakhona ke uBM ke ngikhonza nobaba uNkosi ke ngiyithanda nje until today.
Whoa. Usuke eChooseni waya eUPM.
Yeah.
Which year was that?
UPM na 4 years this year. Those were 25.
Bo
155 this year. So manje mamela phela angimanje ukhumbule ukuthi mawuphinde wa break esontweni.
Kusho wena wathi asise minus.
Angithi mawuphinde apparently nginokubezwa 30 years. Aphinda khotha ukuthi une leave lapha aphinda ayibamba.
Okay.
Ya plan lapha semshadweni nawo
abafuni. Ayifane nemshado yani uthi uphinde wabuyela ekhaya. Bese uthi 15 ngivela angithi angasiphikisi kuba umuntu omdala. Kodwa ngixake u15 kanjani ngoba phela khona no 2 years umama uhlala ekhaya kubo. So angazi angithi angazi mina ngifuna ukusiza angazi la nala kuzokusonta kuthiwa wena una 20 years esontweni but uke waba ne strike wama ngaphandle wenhlangano because u20 years ukuthi from la until 20 ungazi wenze lutho ebed. So mina ngikhonzile uPM njenga last year ngibe ninkinga phakathi esontweni ngezinto eziphakathi esontweni njengomuntu yabo nje njengoba ngikhonza mina ngiyasazi situation engithole lapha mangifika mahanje indlela nayo ikhithe engayazi engene lapha noma athi ufikile wena and iproblem ekhona emhlabeni nje engifuna basiza kuya abantu mhlambe bazoyisiza abaholi abanye noma umuntu othanda ukusizakala ukuthi ingena kanjani or ingena kabangali ngiyazi awafuna amasonto sayifuna membership kodwa awukwazi ukuba umholi usabi member. Awukwazi uba umholi yabona once waba umholi kwaba khona imember usaba esontweni sizoba ne problem because kulaba ongathi awubasabi kuzokwehlela noma lo senza ama mistake ngeke ukwazi ukumkhuza because usaba ukuthi uzohamba ukuthi angade esontweni kahle abaholi mabebizwa wena ekhanda amazo yini abayidingayo yabo njengami ngazo 11 so mawungilimaza ku 11
Mawuthi wazi 11 mhlambe to someone obukele ongunderstand yini 11
ukwathi nje mina ngumsonti ngazi ukuthi nje mangithiwa ngingena esontweni ngiyasonta into engiyele lesontweni ngiyazi ukuthi kunalento kuthiwa every Sunday usesontweni awuveli love nje ungazi ukwenza njani into yesonto makuthiwa member ivelele something bad mina ngilapho makuthiwa esontweni kuna something ngilapho kahle kahle mina mangisonta ayikho into yesonto kuthiwa angihamba that is why nasesontweni ngeke kuthiwa khona umuntu omkhulu kimi nomncane kimi
okay
mina nje esontweni
from
mlando
waseku Diga
into sengihamba khona akuningi engakufunda ngakhona angisizakalanga ngoba bengilandela mfethu yonke into ebengitshela bengifitwe endlini so no awuphilisi ukuthi umamba nomama vuma umama uyafunya serious ngoba nje yabona umuntu okhuluma nami esasonta nabakubo mina for mina ayikho into angayikho akazi uthola umuntu experience okusonta ayikho ikwazi ukuthi jena ushaya umthetho ngoba isinqumo nesinqumo asithatha utshela endlini fana nomuntu ohamba nomndeni wakhe esontweni vele lo isonto yena inqumo eyithathwe emndenini so awazi lutho mina ngikhuluma ngumuntu owazi ukuthi isinqumo sakhe yedwa kuthiwa wena wedwa uthatha isinqumo sakho waphumela ubani njengami noma kuthiwa ngiyayeke e-UPM ngeke lokhu ngihambe ngimema ngithi sengiyayeka wena wenze njani angiyenzi lento ngoba ngene mina umlando wami nje uthi manginikela ngedwa ngenzela lokho ukuthi mangifika phambili angifuni ukuhlushwa.
Okay. So let's go back to the 5 years othe umsonto e-UPM waphinde wakhansela u1 year
shuthi ngani ngizoqala ukusonta ke manje nonyaka shuthi ngibreakile shuthi ngicine e-UPM ngo-August ngo-September end of September because omndendele eNatal until
so kupha ama dates qhubeka sinawo ama dates
ngase ngangakhonza ke lapho ngezinye izinto ebeyishaya mina athi ngumuntu phela nje wasonta hayi uthi mina ngiyakhola ukuthi ukhola kwami sekufanele kube ngathi angisaboni ngiyakhola ngibe ngibheka ngisonto nje mahala mina ngisonto nje and mina angikhona usonta nomuntu okuthiwa ngiyamsaba fanele sihloniphane into onginika yona nafanele nginike yona if esontweni kukhona umuntu onganginiki lento ngimnika yona angi-expect fanele ngimnike and ngingafuni ukungichazela ukuthi why lo muntu kuba ngathi njenganawo umlangeni asinawo umuntu angiphila naye siyaphila nomlangeni umlangeni fanele mayazi ukuthi noma kuthiwa kimi ungcono ngayiphi indlela but angakuvesi because la sihlanganise u12 1 2 3 4 siyahlukana ngisho nanomngane wakho ngisho angikwazi sihlangane after lapho singaqhubeka but if sizothi kulo 5 hours sefanele kube khona omunye ofanele ngathi ungcono komunye hayi lapho ngathi ugebhe trainer usukwenza umuntu wrong ayini mina cha lapho ngiyaxolisa ayingamdaliwe nje ngeke ngikhona ngiyahluleka nokupretenda ukuthi sewupretendela ukuthi ngi-understand mina akubakhona ba-understand akwenziwe yithutha umuntu azavuma lokho ezwe isithutha evumeza angenzi leyo nto leyo mina ungenza isithutha ezengibone awuma sengibona ukuthi angenza isithutha nami angiyefethi sekuright kuba yinto enjalo kwaba ukuthi-ke kwaba yinto enjalo wase kuba ngathi-ke sengibonakala ney'thombe ngoba phela nazi iy'thombe mina ngase ngiveza ukuthi amandla amangakanani ngoba mhlawumbe esonto abantu becabanga ukuthi uma uhlala njalo nje ukuyifuthela nje ungenzi lutho mhlawumbe ungafuthi ungashumayeli ungaprofethi ungaculi okay umoya wakho uyasehlela but sekabanye abantu yabo okay lezo siyayibona bese bona ukuthi umuntu wena useless bacabanga mhlawumbe ukusonta isiphiwo kanti khona umuntu onegazi labantu engenzi lutho njengami nje alokho angikufihli mina mangaphandle kwesonto abantu bebekhulu kahle into eyenza ukuthi kuba ngathi usonto balimala abantu abasemaceleni yasuka kakhulu umsindo we-conference because after conference Monday ngavuswa yizo lezi inkakha
conference yaliphi isonto
e-UPM nge-5 October ngavuswa abazalwane leyo futhi yabona yiyo ngifuna ukustika kuyo ngoba ngathi yebantu abanye
before we go there so that's not confuse abantu abamamela ubala wena now post conference angithi post ngisho ukuthi ubala after conference of which when you were not a conference
yes
of which it's rare ukuthi wena it's not even rare you have never missed ama events or so
yes true
so take us ama reason ukuthi kuze kulead ukuthi wena ungabikho u national conference yasesontweni kanjani
no ngoba wena mlangeni lezi izinto zithinta abo baba bemezi yabona abanye bahlonishwa
la sikhuluma ngobusonto
no ngizama ukuveza angengiphointa amagama yabo but ngizama ukuveza ukuthi mina into amayiqala ilimala phakathi lesifunayo ngathi ngisesontweni ngoba izinto zokusonto
sure
zilimala ethenini kube khona ama-side owabona ngokusonto ngoba bafethu iqiniso ukuthi fanele usheshe ulibone isonto engeke likusize ndawo
okay
and fanele ubazi abantu osonta nabo if kukhona umuntu esontweni ongakurecognize musu kufoster wenzela abanye ifavor umjabulisa unjabulisa abantu bathi wena uyalimala yabona
wena bani wena lo bajabulisayo
mina so uma ungajabulisa abantu kuba ngathi wena unenkinga nabantu wena abajaji njengawe nje mla ngikhona abantu abathanda khona nje umuntu othanda ukunaka uyabona khona nje abantu abathanda serious khona abantu abajwayele i-treatment especial njengami yabo example njengoba siphuma emakhaya umntwana okhuliswa ubaba nomama ethola yonke into akafani nami so nomsiya kweminye imizi ucabanga ukuthi usesekile
uyothola same treatment
akufani kanjalo fully so ngi-understand ukuthi mina uma wena ukhetha inhlangano usuke uthi uyayifaka kuzo zonke izinto ezibamba umuntu enayo endlini so uma sekuqala kuba khona abakhethwayo sithini that time kune leadership kuna yonke into yenhlangano sithini lapho because akufanele ngifike phansi but lapha phezulu kube ngathi akwenzeki lutho
ngoba into akasiphendula ngithi aweke ukuthi le
hayi ngiyasho ukuthi izinto zalimala phakathi endlini angeke ngikwazi ukuyivela
no you don't have to be specific but at least idlalela ngakhona because asikabezwa nezo sakhona ngokulimala
hayi ngisho lokho ukuthi
umntwana osana ukunakwa ngisho othanda ukunakwa mhlambe then bebangasakunaki because of mhlambe sekukhona abanye abantu esontweni noma that's what we want to understand asifuni you know why I'm asking so asifunzana ukuthi masiphuma la abantu ba assume no not makhola ba assume ukuthi boqonda ukuthi
okay
noma ungayanga direct but hambela ngakhona
abantwana benza indaba zabo ukuthi
ngale nto le yes so noma ungayisho straight and we don't want names but isho dlula ngakhona ukuthi for example udlule
okay example mlangeni ngicabanga ukuthi mosonta nomuntu mayikhona into ebamba umuntu okhonza nayo nawe uyabamba
sure
angithi
automatically
if kukhona umuntu obamba naye kukhona into enzeka kumuntu obamba naye abantu abakhonza nabo bebonise ukungabaluleki kwakho isiphi isidingo sokuzohlala nabo phansi lingalungisiwe iphutha
okay
la ngoba if lento should ngamagama antasile iphuthe into eyenzeke ngamabomu because I can't be ukuthi mlangeni ukhonza kini kunesonto kube nento kini ebaleni abazali bekhethe ungezi kimi noma ethi ukuthi izathu usifaka ngayiphi indlela but abasemaceleni uthini ngabo
sure
nina as abantu aba represent isonto kubantu niyakubo niye kumuntu enikhonzana nithi nina abantu labanyako nifuna bathini kini
okay
yes so kwaba izinto vele ezagcwalise ukuthi kahle hlela ngofuna usonto fanele wenze 1 2 3 4 5 asinti kanti ngizokwenza izinto eziningi ngizoba ne conference so mafika conference kwaba ngifuthu bafana sithole wayeyombeza eThekwini enza yonke into ngakhetha ubafana ngoba ngisengibona ukuthi akusizi ukukhetha into engeke ikhethe
okay
ngakhetha ubafana
yeah
because of mangikhetha ubafana ni 100% bafana manje ngivelelwa inkinga ekhaya nginamuntu olala engafika ubafana sibuka abantu enginabo fanele ngasa focus kubo kakhulu ahlanga nje la ku 11 nakhona makuthi ukhona manje vela abantu sefanele udile nabo ngokuthi unga compromise for bona this is why ngadela ngayiyeke iconference hayi uthi conference laphe ngakhetha ukuyeThekwini ngicabanga idistance iconference la eduze kwami bese wethu ngayiyeka ngayidebe for umfowethu
okay fine now we understand at least because now being understand why you would not be available ku national conference yes right then so now we at least now there's clarity ukuthi it is because you had problems ozibona ukuthi inkinga lezi and someone close to you ocabanga ukuthi he can take a bullet for you compared to Isonto
yes.
Then you chose that person
yes.
Now because there are rumors of course we spoke about them behind the cameras ukuthi did you know because abantu bathi you knew ukuthi when you're getting this konje ukwehliswa yini ngesilungu
demotion
you're getting a demotion were you aware that you're getting a demotion with your conference or were you demoted because you were not to conference or vele you knew because you were right hand man of the leader of the church so did you know what there are certain changes no
demotion what position did he have le demoting
okay I was still rolling
deputy
must you go back
deputy general
deputy general
yes
okay
and
then answering question kaNastro.
Kuleyo mangifika ngayizwa kuthiwa i-structure sithi after 3 months, after 3 years yachange. Yes.
Mawufika ebandleni.
Yes.
Okay.
Kwathiwa after 3 years. Let's rewind. Going back to this okay, because they would say UPM started long ago, and it's fine. We cannot dispute that. But now talking about the map, UPM, MAP. I mean, we only got to know it now, recently.
Yazi kuleyo wena Mlangeni iqiniso ilele elithi mfethu ayikho into ebhlungu esilimaza sonke ezayona.
Yes.
Leyo ukuthi ngingavumi mina ukuthi uMlangeni unomehluko kunento engcona yenzile nami kuleyo nto enguyo. Kunabantu abangakholelwa ekuthenini umuntu ofana nawe engenza into engcono kuye. You understand? So mina kahle abantu bathi mina kuba khona umehluko engwenzile sonke kusho abangakhonzi nawe. But endlini awuyezi ubona ngama action ukuthi khona into shubona abavumi ukuthi kube lo muntu owenza umehluko yiba benza umehluko.
Okay.
So and leyo nto leyo iyenza ukuthi ugcina ubona abanye abantu ukuthi abanye abantu ngabe ba right mawubabukela ekudeni because if umuntu ohlakaniphile kahle hle noma thwalo awumdingi but for isake ukuthi uyenza ukuthi abantu bathi for ukuthi ukhumbule phela nje ubusonto mfethu angisonto na aseyisonto ngaphandle yabo njengoba ngusibaya ngaphandle yonke indawo bonke abantu bathi sibaya aseyUPM understand and leyo nto leyo mayifika emadlebeni akho ifika kubantu abahlukene especially mangafika kuwe nje ukuthi usibaya aseyUPM umuntu mayifika kuwe thothwe naso isikhathi uzazi ungcono yabo uzazi uhlonishwa so makufika omunye umuntu uzonqina umuntu onayo endlini thothi angithi asidalwa ngofana komuntu ongakhona ukuthi kuthiwa nje kunomuntu owenza umehluko khona abantu abakhole umuntu nomuntu odala nje uthi hayi mina ngeke ngikhona ukuthi lo kuthiwa mina ungcono akusho ukuthi ngcono ngenze umehluko UPM kube khona efike khona because mina ngangifike UPM nginalento ukuthi ngizolekelela ubuholi bufike kwenye level ngakuzama lokho ngayami indlela so mina bengazi ukuthi kuyofika lesikhathi lesi sekukhona izinto ezenzakala kube ngathi sisesontweni elilodwa kodwa asizwani.
Okay.
Qiniso lelo ngeke ngidlulele nginanazi because of ubona ngathi akuzwani ubona ngendlela okukhonzwa ngayo ubona ngezinto zokuthi makuthiwa into kabani into ubani emzalwane nikhonza nayo na something ubona ngathi into yakho yabantu ibanda from phezulu yoshona phansi ubona kunenkinga la
ibandisa umholi
from phezulu uyabona into inenkinga because akwazi ukuthi into yakhulunywa iyabanda because of niyahlukana mina ngokwazi wami ngazi ukuthi mina esonto makuthiwa Sunday unobhalo anase wathi Saturday 1 2 3 angicabanga kubona ama changes during the week mina ngazi kanjalo ukuthi ngazi must announce isonto kuthiwa namhla asithi example siyalindela Saturday ngicabanga ukuthi wonke umuntu lapho kulomlindela so angiyazi into ukuthi ufanele ubuze bani ubani mayingeke ubani ngathi into engiqala ukuyithola
ngathi there's this group wena ongekho
ngathi manje kune group engeke ngathi akusikhona group esonto so khona igroup engingayazi ukuthi mhlawumbe kanjani mina lento angiyazi yabo so manje makufanele lento ungayi-understand kufanele ungi-understandise yona ngoba ngisho angiyafanele nami ningisize ukuthi lento ngiyi-understand ngizokwazi ukuthi nami ngingasaleli emuva kubantu enginabo endlini.
Sharp rewind mina ngamhlanje ngifuna siphume sine clarity about you as let me give you and say as a public figure as someone mawuthe usibaya they would know ukuthi usibaya wakuphi yakithi. Sharp we are rewinding now because I think mawungiphendula usuke overlap to yabo but it's fine we are rewinding to a UPM before this now UPM konje manje aka what Eskom Eskom let's talk about UPM before Eskom you were part of that UPM
mina
I'm talking about that UPM lebingalindeli
mina ngifike lapho ke mina
yes
ngifike lo part
and buyiqanda le church at that time
yes bekufanele
ngisho i-leader bengeke yendawo ngaphandle kwakho
yes
how did you feel at that time ukuthi ngiqanda le church even leaders of the church makumele banyakaze noma makumele babambe umhlangano they have to call me how did you feel at that time and versus now whereby you only hear ukuthi there was a meeting that was held in your absence
kuze kufike lapho Mlangeni kule le ukuthi mawubana something ngabibikho
cha siqale
la ukuthi
under the church how did you feel
yabona lento leyo ngijeqiniso iyalimaza isonto nginami ngomunye wayo
ukuthi wena ubonakala siqanda le church
so and into ebimnandi ngami ke kuleyo nto leyo mhlawumbe mina onke amaqanda ama church ungashanga ngo10 nini kuleyo party bonke nalapha ama favorite bishop ngathi umama bishop bakumbashanga ngo10 nini bonke yazi why ngisho
Unjani mambishop?
ngisho bonke wasani oyiqanda nje ngishaya ngo10 yazi why ngisho njalo it's because of mina bengiyiqanda ine timing
Okay.
because noma ukuthi umuntu uyakufavor but ungakhohlwa abantu abakwenze ufike yabo nje angifike la angifike la so awuyikhohlwa istop awona nje mawugibela taxi irobot mawugibela robotini awukhohlwa ukuqale kuphi ugibela taxi awuvela ngayithatha itaxi ayindiza ngiso superman so mina bengithi mangihamba but abantu enginabe engabakhohlwa because bengazi ukuthi noma ngabe iqanda le church but 11 akusewami ngedwa.
In what sense mawubonga abakhohlwa like in what sense mawubonga abakhohlwa?
Ngabakhohlwa example nje umfowethu uvezi ukhumali umuntu bengihlale ngiba update aso sonke isikhathi bafethu unento so and uma uqanda le church ufana nomuntu ophethe isonto lonke
Sure.
and abantu badingayo ngaso sonke isikhathi awubakhohlwa ya komehluko phaka kokufaka umoya ukuthi asiyi nokukhuthaza.
Sure, that's true.
So basically you were checking on abazalwane basase right
ukuthi ubani mina njengaba
ukuthi wena uyibekelele naye
mina akekho umuntu engisonte naye engazi uhlalaphi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Akekho.
Yeah.
Mina ngiqale nje manje ukulengisa izandla ngoba ngibona ukuthi ngizocela ngisecurity lesonto. Ngadela abantu angeke ngikhona ukade isonto mina ngadela wena isonto uthole njalo ukade isonto and futhi uniphinde uzotshela ngenzeni. Abantu bathule bangakhuphi bese kuthiwa kusasa khona ongafuna omunye ayisebenzi kanjani qinda straight
Great.
ngeke bese security lesonto sizibe gateini le Shoprite le katili hayi mina manethi izulu mina nginestress ukesonto kuba khona o relax amanini izulu avela adonsa ingubo la lephansi lo muntu kusasa bese ezosola wena
Hayi mina ngaba nawe clean mfana clean.
So yabo nje masikhonza wena sis nawe mlange masikhonza mfethu iqiniso lithi that is why igama le family yesithunga ivalile mina ngoba ngibona lento ayisebenzisa ifamily kwabanye.
We are coming to that Sibaya in terms of what you post on WhatsApp. Luckily ngiyacabanga wonke umuntu la production inawe ku WhatsApp ngikuzana kuphela ongekho nawe. We are aware of what you post. We still coming to the, like a module. What do you mean about into this? But now remember what bengithe we need clarity. How did you feel as you were the egg of the church versus now whereby you feel like you are nobody because of there are certain individuals abajoine isonto and then mhlambe leaders abasakubona indlela yokubona ngayo.
Iqiniso lithi mlangeni le ingifundise mina ingifundise lento ukuthi emhlabeni mlangeni if uthole lithuba lokuphila nomuntu lisebenzise ngoba anything ingenzeka kusasa.
Mangethe awuyesebenzisa ithuba lokuphila nawe ngoba wangijikela manje wena akutholi kahle wena.
So lento le isho ukuthi sometimes uyakujikela mhlambe kusuke kuhambo lakho liqala la liphele la because njengoba sonke yabona njengoba sonke ayi njengami ngaba nelakhi ngakhulela nezayoni ngaba isayoni so ziningi izinto engangilothi mina ngeze ngishintshe yakufana nalento ukuthi mhlambe ngisontela into ukuthi esontweni mina lezo ziningi izinto engenzeka esontweni ngathi ubani abekho ubani ukhona ubani kima kwenze as long esontweni sonke sihamba ngeqiniso wrong esontweni namlangeni ekuyona mina engiphambana naye if uthola ithuba lokuba uwora lesonto.
Sure.
If utholele lo opportunity enjalo lisebenzise ngendlela erathi ungabibikho abantu engathi noma nathuala umuntu undermine ne but pretend ani kuye nimbhayizeni yabona into ukuthi umuntu akwenza ibhari noma engasafuni into ngoba mayiqhaphaza inangoke yabona sabanga nango sizo into enjalo umuntu akwenza ibhari yabona mlangeni noma azi kahle ukuthi akasadingi.
Sure.
But noma awulethi value kuwe but personally value asonke sisonta ngoba sisendlini eyi1 sonke sidingana. So mina ngiqala uyibona manje lento ukuthi khona abantu abazi ukuthi emhlabeni udinga laba abanye abadinga impilo le and isonto njoba lisonto lifika kule part efika kulo ngilangeni manje lifika ekuthenini mina ayingilimazanga lento ingisizile because ingikhulise sengakhona usizo omunye umuntu uma ethola ithuba enjalo sokuthi ukuthi mfethu yabona ithuba nje ukuthola ngicela usebenzise kakhulu wenze ukuthi kusasa makushintsha makuba khona izinto ezishintsha ngoba njengoba kushintsha nje yabo nje mina akukho apho ungeke ungithole khona into zesonto akekho umuntu obepost isonto njengami but ngibone kuyi waste waste nje ukuthi mina ngipost isonto kube ngathi mawupost isonto njenga yabo nje emhlabeni nje angathini mlange njengoba wena asenjengomlange nawo umlange nyaziwe umlange kunabantu abathi mabebona umlangeni bengakhipha nemali la ngaphansi becathulo anikeza umlangeni
hayi ngeke
abakhona
nika bona mina
ngibakhona umlangeni abantu abanjalo emhlabeni
abavele ke bengazi
abakhona
bengazi
even akulaba leader yabo nje kulezi insuku even naku leadership noma yakuphi khona nje abantu okwazi kahle ukuthi lona mayiqhamuka hey ngiyakutshela noma kuthiwa ekhaya bengekho impuphu kodwa uyamanga ukuthi awukhona imali ephuma phansi kumatrasi because of ufike nje umuntu ufuna ukuthi ebenobani yabo lento ukuthi udumele uzana nobani so abantu bakhohle ukuthi thina abanje nami nje lami igama lilodwa nami phela liyangisebenzela kuwe wencathi kimi udumele nami kimi kuwe ngidumele because wena uyakhona ukuhlala ngami nangikhona ukuhlala ngawe
yes
and wena ushawa and into engunisayo mina manje makwenza yonke lento abantu abakhulumayo akusimini nangaze khulumela lutho mina nje ngifika ngahlala ekhaya ngase ngimbe athi mina ngibonisa into yokusonto ukuthi into yokusonto injani bengifundisa abarani isonto ngibabonisa ukuthi abayazi lento into esayo ukuthi awukwazi ukuhlala ekhaya emonth ubutshwa ukusonto ku11 umuntu angabuthi wayengeze esontweni
so how mina ngifuna ungiphenduleke angaphenduleki how did you feel
manje
ma feel neglected because of obviously there are people abajoyina isonto and when automatically uyabona ukuthi umholi beyangifonela kayi4 let me say leaders of the church singibabale bonke bangifonela kayi4 ngeviki noma kayi3 ngeviki but laphela iviki ngisathola icall
leyo ngeke ngiqambela manje biyenzeka
yes
even noma ngihlezi yabo nje mina zesonto angeke ngiqamba manje yimi bengenza ithuba lakhe
understand
beyenza yokufona angicheck every day beyenza ngeke ngiqamba manje but manje into engishaya kakhulu lento mina athi mina ngiseza yona and ezana ngibambele ukuthi if una ungenabo uclever bakheza ungakusurvive
kanti kunobuhleva la izayona
ngiyatshela uma ezange ngakuyibone lento uma ungenawo ama decision ngakho nenqomo ngabantu or usasontela icontent but mosonto nje ungancinge kwakho
abantu abasontela icontent
baningi ngaba sinazo lezi inkinga lezi esinazo
if it wasn't for that
ukuthi sisontela nje ukuthi siyalingana ngaba sinazo lama problem ngoba ama problem umuntu adala ukuthi angeke ngikhona ukwenza into nobani example yabo nje mina nje mina ngedwa nje yabona ilento engisho ukuthi after ke njengoba usho ukuthi mase kwenza lana i-treatment bengithola kubaholi mina bengisayithola namanje isicharge ethi yimi bengasayi-community nezinto zesona
awungancane bewuthola kanjani
kahle bengisho ukucheck kanti nokusho ukufona check ebengisacheckwa lapho ngiqamba manje
so if you've got a problem within isonto uma ucheckwa why are you not like putting it down ukuthi njengoba nibona ngenza isontweni I've got this problem 1 2 3 4
ezinye izinto mlangeni ezinye izinto elilanga sizoyisithola sonke emhlabeni kuyafuneka ukuthi uma ade uphusha kakhulu kuze uthole iproblem ngathi ezinye inkinga ukuyicabanga ukuthi yiyo kanti akusiyo so ukuhlala ngamngayi esontweni okunye bengifuna ukubona ukuthi mhlawumbe inkinga yini before phela ngikhipha ngizothi yakhe bantu unkinga
so mawuhlala you got the checkups
kwabanye kwabanye
from leadership
yes.
Did you get the checkup from the added members laba bangena emva kwakho labo ucabanga ukuthi mhlambe the reason why izinto ngathi ziyashintsha were you getting ukuthi info thina sathola wena lana manje awusezi simpela
kuleyo izo angazi ngiphinda kanjani because ivele izokwenza
no just speak in general
okay no abafike emva kwami ngokusonto iqiniso lithi ke mntana nje basisonta sonke ngezivuke singabangani sonke
that's true
ngezivuke futhi siphila sonke
sure
kodwa ku wrong fanele umuntu kubantu aphila nabo uma bevumelene ukuthi thina impilo yethu ithi asibingelelana ngicabanga ukuthi i-right kulabo bantu kodwa ungayenzi kubo bonke abantu babengekho kuleyo nto leyo so labo bantu abafika emva kwami angeke ngene kubo kakhulu namhlanje ngoba isiqala ukusonta sonke
okay sure
njobe isiqala ukusonta sonke sangazana so engazi ukuthi bebefisa ukuthazana noma bebengafuni so ngeke ngibakhulumele.
So how did that make you feel ukuthi abantu abakuthole afterwards maso uhlehlile they don't care they don't check up
engakusho ukuthi umuntu uyamnika into ayifuna anti uma ujwayele ukuwina sikwinisa noma ungawinanga uthi wena wina nje mina ngifuna ukubonisa awina because uma uwina fanele ubheke ukuthi uwina kuphi example ngeke ngiwine ngidlula example khona ufaka udlaba lo yabona umuntu ufaka udlaba lo ama award
ukhona ukhona la, she's behind the camera.
Okay, now Udlaba.
Ah, wathi awumboni na. Orusabele ukuthi bathazwane. Ora umboni.
Understand.
Ora uhethwe isonto
No,
umboni.
noma ungafika wena. Udlaba enza izinto erato ufike wena kusasa. Ungene kwi department kaDlaba.
Macrown.
Yama Crown Award ne. Uwenze yonke into ngoba nje ungafuni ukuyakudlaba ukosho ukuthi mfethu Dlaba mfethu wokule game
Siwina kanjani?
Siwina kanjani? But wena ulwela ukuwina. Kodwa uyabona nawe iwini yakho somehow because angeke uwine kubantu onabo endlela kuphela fanele une nangaphandle. Igama ulikhanda ngaphandle konje uDlaba usebending fire but abantu noma ungalanda umuntu osonta eCovid uneclear ukukhuluma ngobani uDlaba yayizwa le nto so ezizinto fanele ubheke ukuthi esikhathi ushaya ama game washana ubani because mawuthi ushaya igame nomuntu onjengoXolani Sibani wenza ubona bonke abantu abanaba bavumelana nawo kanti abantu babuka wonthele umsenkingeni lo.
Okay, Sibaya, because I see ukuthi you are full usiphendula but
konto isaba.
yeah, no, it's fine. It's fine. I see you. It's fine. I see you, and we're not here to kind of shame about organization or umuntu individual. We're just here to give clarity actually to the public. Ukuthi your current state, not ama rumors. We actually. We're here to clear the rumors.
Yes.
Giving you
the platform.
The actual side of the story, which is the truth, because it's coming from you and it's sharp. Okay. Now you are at, you've mentioned UPM. And
yes.
I mentioned
it. Yes.
And it's sharp. Now you are at, I think the wedding was at KZN, Lega Bafan.
Yes. At
Devon.
Yes.
How, Sunday, say get post. Because nathi fikile kithi lonto leyo.
Yes.
No zikhundla General Secretary, Deputy General Secretary. Ayibo ngisabathe ngiyabhekana umfoka Sibaya ngimboni. But thinking ukuthi obviously from GS you have to go up at least.
Yeah.
Ngikuchecka le Nkosi niya pastor. Ayibo angikuboni futhi. Ngithi mhlawumbe uyi-overseer position ethe ukuthi yabona uthi uyi-overseer isonto manje. Ingene ngeposition. Hauzana, you know, I spent 30 minutes in it. No, corner la corner. Yes, corner la corner. Ngiyasabu kuya sekela ka bishop, but believing ukuthi if ngimbona la that he is on top. But now
shot his way up.
Exactly. I've checked every position. I didn't get your name anyway. Instead, I only got to find out after making my research now. No, this person is actually stripped. You know, we've got our chief thing, Julius Mkonazi, the EMPD one, of which party is yes. So, Bati bathi uthathelwe
Gong.
Asi allegedly lezana basho njalo. Bathi you know engiphazamisile. Yes, you understandeka njengoba I think you've mentioned ukuthi in 3 years yashintshwa blah 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 of which bonke labantu abakhethiwe i3 years abakayibambi but it's fine. Asikho lapho. Ngihlushwa ke manje ileyo ukuthi bakuthathele baze bakuthathele nokuthi emlindelweni isitsha wona usasiphathi ngothi ayiphelele umuntu lo le uqoshwa phela lokhu ke manje awuncengwa ke lana ke manje Zana before again let's say it's you sonta eCoven angithi now angazi cover 1 2 or 3 but it's fine so eCoven you've got that position a big position you are close to the leaders then now you get awukho uzana by the way uhamba lento zamachichi uyichichi so you go to these things zamachichi KZN far coincidentally kune sonto la yothathelana ikhundla or kunikwana ikhundla you only find out usebhazini uyabuya
kusangisekho
ukhathele bokhitha ubonke uthi aw ugeneral postile because bowuyibamba you think ukuthi you have retained your position you are still ibamba ayingeni ibamba liposte nalo ukuthi proudly ibamba general secretary how ujoshela kubo overse omunye umuntu how uthule ne uthi hayi something big is coming because lesonto ngibuya ngalokuphi phansi umlindelo Saturday wena ubuya Thursday Saturday emlindelweni usathi uyaphaphula ndisitsha bathi kahle kancane baba thatha babani nasi sitshe sakho. How would you feel before angena yena asho yena wena how would you feel? Siyavala ngifuna ukuthi sipasiceda la
mina nophuma shem that's so sad because like kanjani
allegedly that's what has happened but ngena mfethu uthuzana yena ngaphuma ngena mfethu right sure Seval
izana sivala nje
no sevala
Seval
yeah
izana leyo kahle befuna leyo iyo yenza abantu abaningi kube ngathi ukwenza kube ngathi ingxabano nakubantu enginabendini ibankulu
okay
because of izinto efika kubo kuba ngathi zisho yimi
yes
because njengoba eyisho umlangeni mina lento ubafana sifela itekisi eDurban beqeda kuyitshontsha itekisi saseDurban Sunday amafoni asinabanye bethu le phone ngizengiba nayo Monday
why bona phone
anti abatshontsha itekisi
niqashile
sasiqashile nezinto phakathi so no understand leyo nto lesilenyelelwe nani Monday masisiba abafana nakho sengiyosa nje ha nalo umfana uthi umkhabu lakhe ngalama ikhona hey yabona le call hey
is it a group call or just
hey group usasho e1 izitheba sengieda ma hey baba zwile uthaya mangithi ithombe ithombe abantu bagcotshwa mina ithombe seyipostiwe ukuthi ubani manje ngabe udefend inhlangano manje unayisho ukuthi abantu obadefenda bona bakudefenda
sure
because njengoba bona besho abantu awazi bona bathini so ngizothi ukhuluma lokho kanti bona bakhuluma okunye yabona so manje awunayo impendulo yabona and abantu bakhulume yazi kule situation ungene labantu engabacabanga ukuthi bangazi
bathini sibayabona
bekhala ukuthi omunye abuze ukuthi kanti nisebenza kanjani la nikhonza khona omunye abuze ngendlela abuza ngayo esho omunye ethi sizwile bathi ukhishiwe vele bekusho nje kuthiwa ngikhishiwe
cha ukhishiwe vele
ukhishiwe but ukuthi ukhishwe esontweni bengayazi abantu
yes
okay
yabo and
so netress ezithu itaxi itshontshiwe shontshe nefone ngapha isikhulu uthatha bona beli weekend yakho yokuthathelwa kahle
yonke so kwaba into enjalo wena sengizama nje ukuthi ngoba isikhathi ngizama nje ukusiza umphakathi bengabenzi lutho bengakasuli le ngikhonza khona
wongasoli ini
ngasuli
wakasonti
akuresign ukuthi bengakayi
bongakayi fine before seseyivala manje however Zana I've got him on WhatsApp he's known to be this unapologetic author when it comes to statuses uyabhala ngifuna
express
makavala ngifuna ayivale asho ukuthi uke wachaza ukuthi ngathi uye leaders forum uye o approvayo uyo disapprovayo shuthi mangifuna ukuphuma eChurch of Christ mele ngiconsult kuyo ngadvise ngiphume kanjani but uzoyichaza ngendlela yakhe uma ngiphethe letter uzosho yena uye approve or disapprove and then asho nalento yakhe ama modules ukuthi isho ukuthini apparently he's a lecturer
okay
in terms of ama modules wasezayoni
okay
so nto bunjani in I'm saying this because you don't have him any social media before that ukuzwile ngishilo ngifuna uvale ngakho before that uzana uzongena as well ngifuna le party leyo ukuthi after all that has transpired after yonke leyo nto leyo ne wena usibaya obviously uhethekile hayi phela lokho sikubuza into eyi1 I future yakhe ithini uyapi because ne first Sunday second Sunday yabonakala ndawo yakhalwa ngawo so in conclusion I just want you to usho ukuthi uyapi do you remain esontweni if you remain vele did you accept ukuthi vele uzoba this you'll be a member from president to be a member
GS
yeah no I'm trying to say good from Cyril Ramaphosa to be someone ohlala kuma grandstand example yami sense. Ngifuna sho kanjalo bese angene kule yazi. You don't even want to ask him about these alleged things ukuthi kukhona abakhokhelwayo because there was once this rumor ukuthi ukwatile ukuthi khona ngathi abakhokhelwayo angazi khona abakhokhelwayo esontweni ngakhokhelwa
angene nakuyo
aqale kuyo sharp mfethu Sibaya over to you in conclusion
angiqale ngayiphi
qala ngale ukuthi uma uzwa ukuthi ngathi khona abakhokhelwayo because ngeze voice note yakho namthizeni ongazi ukuthi ngayithola ukhala ukuthi cha khona bakhona abakhokhelwayo enhlanganweni yakuphatha kanjani nonto leyo if ikhona mhlambe nawe wagcina unegotiateile nawe wakhokhelwa yabo into njengalezo
ungene kuleyo part leyo kuleyo khokhelo ngicela futhi ukuyichaza ugcina
okay
kunzima mlangeni ukukhuluma into umuntu ongazi ukuthi ufike kanjani la enkonza khona ngangekho from day 1 ukukhuluma yangizwa ngithini so engikhulumayo engangikhona kukho ebengekho kukho singawathola nje amachaphezelo ngoba yimvele ngishayeka lapha phakathi and thothi ushayeka nje ushayeka vele usemhluleni ukudefend cha angeke ngazi kuleyo ngoba njengami nje mina ngikhuluma ngami ngedwa nje ukuthi engikwazi okwabantu abafike ebengikhona enginolwazi lapho bangela kunabantu abakhonza engazi bafika engababona sebese center angani ngoba bayibamba interview noma bayibambanga angazi
ama interview akhona
kwabanye engibazi abayibatholile abanye angithi angeke ngikhuluma into engingayazi yabona
yeah
kwento enjalo yeah so ubona umuntu esese stage manje ngalokho umlandeli umuntu ufeka kanjani
because it was rumors Sibaya
akhona
Uzana maybe might not be aware but it was ama rumor bewakhona
yes bekhona
and then also igama lakho belithinteke ukuthi ngathi ophatheka kahle
yes basho njalo bonke abantu
yes wena uthini
mina engakusho mina ukuthi mina athi angiphathekanga kabi mina
uphatheke kahle ukuthi mina bahola
ngijatshulisa yini ngijatshulisa ukuthi ngiyakhula lokho iqhube experience yami le engitshethi nginayo
but you cannot do lokho accept ukuthi una experience embi njalo wena uhethekile utshintsha futhi wena umuntu okuhethwa nje la uyakhona if uza kithi okay fine ngeke sikuthathe thina but let's say for example uza kithi Church of Christ yes ngeke sikuthathe fine but let's say for example uza kithi futhi are you saying it's fine even if nalanya hetheka it's okay uvuma nje because I mean I would get hurt as well if ever there's someone who's getting paid lapho senza mhlambe wena you even doing something more than lo muntu lo
ngisasho namanje ukuthi inkinga ekhona mlangeni ngento yokuthi noma ungafuka uyichaze kanjani into okusonto as long isonto ungasile lakho or ungasile kini utholele ikhona ziningi izinto ngeke ukwazi ukuyilungisa so ukufa kwami nokungafika kwami ngekushintshe lutho
but bofika
nini
yeah
bengiphumule bengafani
no I'm asking I'm still asking about ukuzwa ukuthi mina nozana we are podcasting so it too and then Uzana now gets to find out ukuthi how Nastro is getting paid and they send umsebenzi ofana
yeah ngaklimaza le
did you get here
yeah ngaklimaza
mawuthola lezo ndaba did wena wewaphuka na
mina ukuthi ngayithola mangibuza ukuthi niholelwa bani ngaye lo muntu okuthiwa uyabaholela
okay
akangakuvuma so angikwazi ukuqhubeka nento unazo into engayivumi
yeah no I think it's running away from that ngicela uvale in 1 minute 30 seconds 1 minute uvale wenze nje a closing statement in terms of le modules ukuthi you are a great author in terms of kuma status WhatsApp statuses uyabhala udumile ngokubhala ubhala to someone ongakwazi oqala ukubona to someone interested ukuthi awunobuthi ubhalani ibhalayo kuma status advise abantu ngayo you are known to be a lecturer in terms of ama modules wesonto module 4 ngokubona ubhala
kuna module 4
yes there's module 1 2 3 and module 6 ngathi lazibuya khona kakhulu ngicela uyihlanganise uyenze nje 2 minutes and then
yeah kule ama module mfethu ilula ukuthi iya ngokuthi uyifunde kanjani imvamisa imodule nomodule engiba nayo iba nomnikazi umuntu nomuntu lengenzayo iba nomnikazi akwenze ihambe yodwa
okay
ayihambi nje yodwa uthi umthandazi umtshali yazi ufakazi umthanda umoya mawubhala uvela ukhulume nje yabo nje manje njengamanje sekhona imodule abantu wasiqoqa sekhona imodule ayithi imodule ithi
yeah
ungayiphathi iclub yebhola
yes
ungakazi ibhola udlale noma ube ukapteni.
Okay.
Or awukazi nje estradini udlala la mawukhula awukaze udlala ibhola estradini udlala wedwa endlini bese kuthiwa yalazi ibhola athi yalazi yabo ingane mayidlala udlala ekhabetheni nanje adlala ethi ibhola la endlini qola nomshana adlala edala khahla libonda heke ungazi umshana cha uyalazi qola nomshana ibhola bese samthatha simosana estradini kubantu nje abayi4 sithi 2-2 udlala ama1 part uthole hayi inkinga kule muntu udlala yedwa endlini so abantu abaningi bacaba ukuthi into bayazi ngoba edlala yedwa engadlali abanye abantu mase ethola abanye abantu kube ngathi umuntu wazi kangcono kanti uye ongalazi ibhola
umuntu lo 7
hayi nje ngiyazama nje
okay uya summarize
sure yamamodule ke imodule nemodule ke ikhandayo ngifike ngivukile kuseni ngicabanga isikhathi esiningi izinto esiwezenze kuyibona bese ngiyayifaka imodule bese aba personal bese ubangiswa ngayo nini ngoba uzwabona amamodule amthawana inkingi nini yakuvumela nini yakuphila nini ulwa nami nini ngishisa isonto lakho nini ngivuma isonto lakho so uyabona umuntu mozothola umuntu ongathi slow learner uzomphazamisa ngoba uzohlala elimele ngoba yena wazi ukuthi into ngayo ithizwa kusisikhathi amen
so la module lawo yini ukugudla uyagudla
akusikugudla module just
angidzana wena u-service you understand these things there's modules more like subjects so obviously there's maths there's English there's so okusho ukuthi ethingizama ukufaka clarity okusho ukuthi there's a module yokuhlubuka there's a module abantu abashintsha amasonto injalo there's a module abantu abafana naye abezwa ukuthi khona abaholayo abanye bangaholi balimale angithi njengoba bashilo ibuye na imshaya hayi module yakhe naye
ayithi nami yangishaya ayithi
yes so
kukhona hlezi kodwa akekho happy
yes
wazalelwa la omunye athi akashintshi ngoba isithunywa sakhe sizomshaya izinto zakhe zizophela kuningi nje uyabona umonakalo mningi and lezo zinto lezasikhulu nje masonto nabo omshali mabebeza ama conference lapha abantu abafana nathi abababizi ngoba thina sizovese liqedi so isiqedi nabo khololo because of sizoshaya thina sithi mholi noma ngaba na 30 years ubambe la ubambe khona kodwa nje iqisisa even u5 balo sesiyafana imuphi umholi oshumayelayo ucompare from 2010 until usashumayela lento eyodwa enamgcina ishumayela ngoba bonke labaholi bamanje
bayashintsha
nini usindisiwe kusasa ukhuluma ngemvu nini futhi uyangesisu ukuthi isisu sakhe asesikhathi siphakama ngapi
right okay no we closing Zana let me give it to you to close it for us actually let me do this let me Sibaya before ngena we've got 30 seconds left ngicela ukuthi usho ukuthi where to from now this is your camera usho ukuthi where to from now we are heading to the third week of January
yes
awukabonakala indawo tell us ukuthi uSibaya wakadladla wakaQolanus udladla uSibaya ukhonza kuphi noma uyokhonza kuphi and then if you want to be followed on socials then usho lapha then ngizongena Zana then give you the shine to give you the closing of the day
siyabonga kakhulu ukudlaba usithupheshe Zwane Xolani Mshana isikhathi senu enisidelile ukuthi nizohlala nathi
let me fix that abadelanga it's our team
okay
don't get it confused module 1 verify
okay
verify indawo lento lekuthi uzumuntu othi uphumile uyithatha njalo status uphumile verify module 1 verify PPX Productions to Page Production Dlaba Records team yethu
okay team yonke
it's our production
ngiyabona team yonke Xolani wakasibaya lo khulumayo ukhonze bandlela se-UPM abaningi bese bethi ngaphandle
oshanga izandla kanjani
kanti akekho ngathathi lefu bafethu
okay
ekusonteni so nje nami ngisathe ukuthi khumo ngeke ngibone ukuthi lento yokusonta kanjeni iyaphasana siyabonga kakhulu kubo bonke abasilalele nabalandeli ningakhohlwa ke ipage labakumlangeni nimlandele siyabonga danko
thank you
ladies and gentlemen siyabonga kakhulu to our guest actually first guest of the year 2026 sishilo ukuthi this year we bring nothing but the best we bring consistency most important and of course the beautiful co-host engiphethe lonyaka lo angadlali siyaspana we will be going we still trying to accumulate some funds whereby if we sifuna ukushoot abantu basele for example we are planning a Durban shoot So which means we're gonna go to a Durban, and we're gonna have at least 4 people from a Durban that will fit for a whole month. So from myself, I can only say, if you have not subscribed, please do press that subscribe button. Let me explain it. Unabantu abawuthusho so bese bampress ba unsubscribe. If you bale subscribe but which mean ungasuppress yeke mntana kithi siyabonga uyimember uyifamily yethu mayisabhale subscribe igcina ngo BE pressa ithi subscribe so that every week when the show ukuthi you get episode from Tina. Definitely we're bringing nothing but consistency from myself. Before ngihamba ngiyeka, we need to announce abantu besiloko sipusha nabo. We still want to go back to them, have a meeting with them, and then sibone ukuthi sihlanganisa kanjani. However, we have been driven by OJL Enterprise, known for internet services, fiber, Ivuma, right? So we're still gonna go back to Babus Tole, who is the director of OJL Enterprise, and then of course okwamanje wena kwakho ungasiboni nge720 equality besuthi thenga nama camera kanti awuna data engine usibheke ngekeja yazi le ikeja usibheke ngekeja 500 cha just get yourself a unlimited fiber from OJL Enterprise, a supplier Ivuma internet services, but more details will follow as siqhubeka. Nkosazana.
YouTube family, thank you so much for tuning in. Yeah, thank you to our guest for honoring invitation here too. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. We have been.
Uyajabula kuba phambili umuntu omuhle nje.
Hey ndoda, angengilale.
To a lovely please guys continue to subscribe. Our subscribers continue liking, comments. One love guys. See you next time.
Bye.